someone by the name of girl. Who is it?
Teacher, can I take my stuff for a while?
Yeah, take. Oh, girl is Sophia. Sure. Yes, sure. Sophia, girl. You are the only one who handed in the work. So today, do you all do, Shafika, do you do the work? Question.
What?
Ayo. Okay. Paper 2, the 5 questions. No. Okay, never mind. We're going to go through. Raihana, are you there, Raihana?
Yes.
Yeah, turn on your video. Do you do the work? Yes. No. I
Yes.
don't know how to do. Yes. Okay, never mind. We run through shortly. Is 5 o'clock on Wednesday too early for you, Raihana? No. But it might be too early for you, all right, Sophia?
Yes.
So we may have to, maybe I will speak to your parents to change it to 5:30. Is it okay? 5:30 to 7. Just before Maghrib. Is it all right? So that in case you and the rest have to go to stay on in school, you all be having enough time. All right, here we go. We are going to share screen and we are going to go through question by question. So Sophia, you have to just refer to your answer, okay? While we run through this, is Sophia's answer. Her answer 22.8. Let's see whether she got it correct. You can all use your calculator, okay? So we are starting with question number 6. This is the one. I think we did it the other day. Can you try this? And one. Hey, Sophia, your answer for number 6 is 22.8. Not possible, Sophia. Sophia, you got to try again. How can you have 22.8 marbles? The
Okay.
0.8 marbles, something is wrong. Okay, I'll just tell you what the answer is. You try to get it. Okay, here's the answer. Question number 6 is 19. They say 19 is the answer. Is this correct? Or maybe you might not be wrong. You might not be right. Let me see. The question answer key might be wrong. Let me see. Hey, can you see this? 2/5 down there, so it's 3/5 there. Yeah. And there were 24 more marbles. A, then B. 24 more marbles and continue. A, then B.
The answer is 90 or 19.
19. According to the answer key is 19, but we have to check shortly. Yeah. Okay, so the other day, remember I did this question wrongly. Yeah, I read the question wrongly. So A, then B. There were 24 more marbles in A, then B. Oh God.
Yes. No, it wasn't so.
When I mute yourself, who's that? Maybe your side. Oh, Zahira is out now.
Is 3 units equals to 24?
No, 3 units is not equal to 24. Okay. I'm struggling it myself. This is really a thinking question. Dude, it's quite tough. It's tough, huh? Okay, yeah. Allahu Akbar. Ay. Gila lah for you all, poor thing lah. What to do? We have to do all this. 4, 3, 43. Okay, the correct answer is 19, but it's a little bit difficult. A little bit difficult. So let us. We give you another 1-2 minutes more. Anyone? Raihana, you look as if you completed your work. What's your answer? No. Zahira? One minute more. 1 minute more. Okay, just for a while. Okay, okay, it's on. Okay, okay. Can we? Anyone got answer or not? No. Okay. What about? Okay, we just pause for a while, but I want you to see what I've written here. To do this question, you must first believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, you are not going to be able to solve this question. So number one, you must believe. It's a question of how much time you need. Okay, you must believe. If I have more time, I can solve this. You must at least have that belief. So I'm going to show you step by step. It's a little bit challenging. It's not a direct question. So let us see now. I write the question on the board just for a while. Meanwhile, you can 2, 3, 4, 2 containers. Okay, so here we go. 2/5 transferred. 2/5 transferred. A, B. In the end, there's 24 more in A. Okay, here we go. So watch. Now, there are 234 marbles in container A and container B. Okay, but we know A is more. Shafika, A is more. How do we know? Even after transferring 2/5 or 3/5, it's transferring 2/5, right? Even after transferring 2/5 of the marbles so that we can divide this into 5 parts, just like we did the other day. But the other day, I read the question wrongly. I thought in the end, B got more than A, 24 more. Actually, no. After transferring 2/5 over here, A still got more than B. So let us draw the ending now. The ending A will still have more than B. So A can be like that, and B can be like that. After transferring 2 pieces, so 1, 2, 2 parts, from A to B, B still got less. How much less? This part down here, this part I shade black in color, or I shade it like that. Not black in color, but blue. This is 24. Means B is 24 less than A. Now, if you transfer 2 parts to B, how many parts is left here? How many parts? 3, yeah?
3 parts.
Good. Okay, so I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3. That means these 3 parts is still more than what B has after the transfer. You transfer 2 parts here. So 1 part, 2 part, there's still a balance here, you know. This is the original B. The original B is just so little. You transfer the 2 parts here to here, A still got more than B. How much more? Is from here to here is 24 more. So how to do this question? Shafiqah, you must see how do you do this question. Very simple. Altogether, this 5 units plus 2 units, 3 units plus 2 units is 5 units, right? Plus a little bit more, this is equal to 234. But we cannot solve it away. We know that they say there's another 24 more down here, this dotted line. Need another 24. So what to do? Very simple. Add this 24. When you add this 24, how many units do you have? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one will be 6. Because this is 24 less than A. A is 3 units. B has 2 units plus the original amount. So if you plus 24, this become 1 unit. You must be able to understand this part first. How many of you are lost? Honestly. Okay, how many understand? Okay, lost. Okay, good. I go again. This part, do you understand? Rahana, where are you? Rahana, we cannot see you. We can see your thumb. Now, Rahana, do you agree there's 5 parts at first? 5 parts in A? We transfer 2 parts, so you are left with 3 parts. Is this okay? With all of you, yes, sir? Transfer to where? Transfer to here, got 2 parts. But at first, B got some marbles. How much? Very little. Why very little? After you transfer the 2 parts here, A still got more than B. How much more? A got 24 more. Means this from here to here is like 24 more. That means the original part of B is only this much like that. This model, how? Can I understand? Shafiqah, you understand this model? Sophia, understand the model? No. Okay, so I draw big now. I draw big. Okay, so at first, A got very little. Very, very little. I draw down here. How do I know very, very little? Because at N as now we try, it's very, very little. And A got 5 units. Shafiqah, this one you can get? You understand this part? A got 5 units. This one got very little. Okay. Okay, let's say this is straight. Let's say this is straight. Okay. Now in the beginning it's like that. Now they put the 2 units here. The 1 unit, 2 units, I draw 2 units, 1, 2. Is still less than what A has. The 1, 2 units is gone. I rub the 2 units. Why rub the 2 units? Because 2 units got transferred here. Yeah? This is the original 2 units. This is the 3rd, 4th, 5th. There's only 3 more. 3 more left here. Now down here to here, if you look, can you see not? There's a difference still. This part is equals to 24 because they say after you transfer 2 units, A still got 24 more than B. You understand? Understand? Now this is 3 units, right? If A still got more than B down here, that means this is 24. If I add 24, this also becomes 3 units also. This is less than 3 units. Now if I plus the 24, This 1, 2 units plus what B have originally will become 3 units. You understand this part? This part you don't understand. Okay. This part you don't understand. Now I'm going to turn this over. I'm going to turn this over. Okay, watch. I'm going to turn this over. Watch. So I pusing the thing. Pusing. The 2 units I put at the bottom. And then at first there's some marbles in A just like that. Little bit only. How many? We know the answer key says 19, right? So let us see whether we can get 19. Now, from here to here, can you see after the transfer, A still got more than B. A still got more than B. How much more? Down here, from here to here, how much more? 24. Do you know this one now? If I plus 24, I get 3 units. This one is 1 unit, 2 units. This one is only a part of a unit. If I plus 24 here, 24, I plus, this become 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Why become 3 units? Because they say this is 24 more than this. So I plus 24, I get 3 units. How? So if you understand this, if you understand this, you take the total that's now is short of 24. I plus 24. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units equals to 2, 3, 4 plus 24 equals to 258 for 6 units. 1 unit, you divide 258 divided by 6. You will get, you will get how much? How much will you get? Can you try 258 divided by 6? What do you get? 240, 43, I think. Is it 43? So 1 unit is 43, 43, 43. This is 43, 43. 43 times 5 is how much? Is 215. 43 times 5. Because originally A got 5 units. So 1 unit is 43. 43 times 5 is 215. At first, there's 234. At first, there's 234. So I take 234 minus 215, I get 19. So this original is 19. Now, it takes time. It takes time to get it. What I will do now is I will give you my question. You try to do. Okay? If you don't get it, never mind. I give you my question. You try to do, okay? All right? Okay,
Okay, but cannot
What
erase.
times 5?
Don't erase.
okay, don't erase. Oh, sorry. Okay,
What times 5?
why times 5? Because originally A got how many units? A got how many units? 5 units. So
5.
you take 5. So now I want to find 43 times 5. I get 215. That means originally A has 5 units. A got 215. B, we don't know. But we can find out because at first there's 234. 234 minus 215 give me 19. Notice, paper 2 is a little bit challenging. It's okay. We try. I give you another question.
Sorry.
Yes.
No, teacher, don't erase. Can you
Yesterday
give your
I
own
have-
question but don't erase?
Yes. Okay.
Yesterday I have paper 1 practice.
How was it? How do you do?
I passed.
Alhamdulillah. Very good.
But not, paper 2 I failed.
No, okay, never mind. Paper 2, never mind. We'll work on it. See, paper 2 is quite tough here. So I'm going to give you now the same question. There's A and B. Okay? A and B. Now, all together, the marbles in A and B is equals to 34 marbles. Okay? 34 marbles. Can you see? 34 marbles. Now, half the marbles in A. Sorry. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. 1/4 of marbles in A transferred to B. Okay. All right. Are you okay? Now, what is left is, hold on. Okay. After that, A got 13 more, sorry, not 13, what, 8 more marbles than B. Okay. At first, there's marbles in A and B, 34 of them. 34 marbles only. 1/4 of the marbles in A got transferred to B. But even after the transfer, A still has 8 marbles more than B. A has 8 more marbles than B.
Is it the same method?
Same method. Same method. So you try, see. Dan, what's your answer?
Kak, I tadi cakap kan macam aku bodoh kan ni.
Waduh, kakak ni.
Monica. Mr. Shaheed, this I want to find what?
Okay, we want to find how many marbles are there in B at first. In B at first. Let me see whether I get my.
There is no model.
Yeah, you got
Is
to
it-
draw a model.
Is it 13?
Yes. Your answer is correct.
Shit.
Wait, yes.
It's like this question come out a lot of times.
Come out a lot of times. Okay, wait, hold on. You see 13. No, cannot be. Cannot be 13. Cannot be 13. Hold on. 13 is after the transfer, not at the beginning. I want at the beginning. At the beginning, how many B has at first? How come your name changed to girl? Okay, but it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, sometimes people might mistake you for boy. It's okay. Your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. That answer is after the transfer. I want before the transfer. At first.
Oh, okay. Then B, it
B,
is
the
showing
model how many
B.
unit?
Yeah,
The model, how many? The first part is how many? Okay, we are Rayana. How many, for A, how many parts do we divide it into, Rayana?
4.
4, good. So we are divided by 4.
Yeah, then
One transfer here,
4.
right? Okay, so now B, we do not know how much lah. We put, maybe we don't, I don't draw the B yet. But now, this after the transfer, A will be having how much A? After the transfer, instead of 4, it will have
3.
3, good. So we draw 3. Then we must remember that down here for B, you must also draw 1. Why? Why 1?
Then B at the first one don't have anything.
No. First one we will put something like that. Say now we put like that. We put like this. That means we do not know. When you draw the unit like that, it means you do not know how many units. It might be 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. We don't know. So
Okay.
you draw the gigi like that. Okay.
Okay.
Then now, so now you draw like this. So B now after the transfer have like that.
1.
So you can make it into how many units?
2.
Yeah, no, you can make it to you can make it like that. How many more?
3.
3. But you must plus how many to make it 3?
Plus 8. A.
Yes, correct. You
Means
must
That's why plus 8.
8, yes.
plus 8.
Y plus 8.
Oh, means the 38 plus 8.
38, 34 plus 8.
Oh yeah, 34. 34?
Yeah, 34, can you see 34? Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Sophia, can you get it, Sophia? Can get it?
That was an accept.
So
Okay,
you make B into how many units?
3 units. Because it's short by 8 only. It's short by 8. If you plus this 8 now, you can get 3 units. So you plus the 8 here. Now B can have 3 units.
Means
But-
you must find what?
So that one means
I want
34 must plus 8.
Yes. Because your total now, you plus another
A
8. Right?
or B.
Yeah, now you must find original B. This original B. How much at first? Sophia, just now you found this one.
Wait.
Your 13 is down
34.
here.
34 plus 8 for what?
42 total.
42, yeah. But why you plus 8? Simple, Sophia. Because down here you go in plus 8. Down here, your original now, this is equal to.
Teacher, can I see the
34.
beside one? The
What?
before.
Sorry?
Is the answer
Oh, the working beside the whiteboard. No.
is the answer 52?
No, cannot be 52. How come your original you got only 34? How come originally B can have 52 more than both?
Is it 16?
16? No.
Then 34 plus 8 for what? To get what?
To get the total. Okay, now I ask you now. What is the
Or is it
total?
6?
Yes, 6 is correct. What's the total here?
34.
Good. Now, in order to make this into 3 units, I need to add 8. So now originally it's 1, 2, 3, 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. But if I plus another 8, I can get another 2 more units. Because it will be the same. They say that A is still 8 more than B. If I give 8 more marbles here, A and B becomes the same. That's why I need to plus 8.
That's 14.
Answer is 14. No. It's not. Answer is 6. Okay, we
How
go.
you get 6?
Okay, we go through step by step.
You?
Step by step.
I followed the same method.
I got 7.
I got 6.
7 is for 1 unit. Okay, so we go through step by step. You have to understand the model here.
Times 4.
Okay, Rahana. At first got 4, you agree? All agree
Then
here?
after that, the answer 34
B, we
minus-
do not know how many. But total is 34. Clear or not? Clear? Rahana, clear? B, A got 4 units. B, we do not know how many units. But the total is 34. Then 1 of A goes to B. Now the model is 3 units for A, 1 unit plus something. We don't know what the something is. But if you plus 8 to what B has, this become 3 units. Why become 3 units? Because they say, okay, now Sophia is confused, so I use Sophia. Sophia, what is your brother's name?
Zafran.
Um,
Zafran.
Zafran. Now Sophia has some money.
Lol.
Okay, her brother has $3 less than her. How to make Zafran's money the same as Sophia?
Look, what? Minus.
No, don't minus, don't minus. You want to plus. Sophia got some money. Some money. Now Zafran got $3 less than you. What can your mother do to Zafran to make him have the same amount of money than you?
Plus $3.
So you plus 3. Now he has the same amount as you. If you got 3 units, he will have 3 units when you plus 3. So down here we plus 8. This B now becomes the same as A. Just as Zafran, when you plus 3, will be the same as Sophia. Do you get it?
Yes.
So that's why I plus 8. Now you got 3 units. B also have 3 units. All together got how many units now?
6.
6 units. But 6 units is not equal to 34. You must plus the 8 here. Because you have added.
Why must
some
we
money.
plus like extra 1 unit? Wait, isn't it 6? Isn't 6 units plus 8 already?
No. This is
Why
units.
must we
Yeah.
plus like after A, B, okay, I get it. Unit, why must we plus another one?
Another $8. Another $8, is it? Okay,
Yeah.
so now we do this method now. We show Sophia's story lah. Sophia's story, okay? Sophia got $15.
Wait, Mr. Shaheed, wait.
Yeah.
It's gone.
Okay. Okay. Sophia has $15. Let's say this is 3 units lah. 1 unit is $5. Okay, imagine 1 unit $5, 2 units $10, 3 units $15. Okay. She is going to give 1 unit to the brother. This is Sophia. This is Zafran. Where she's going to give $5. 1 unit is $5. She's going to give $5 to Zafran. When she give $5, 1 unit to Zafran, she give 1 unit. Zafran still has $3 less than Sophia. So how much does Zafran have at first? Very simple. Now we calculate backwards. She give $5, correct? After getting $5, Sophia will no longer have $15. Now she will have, after give $5, she only have $10 less. And $10 less, Zafran still got $3 less than her. That means Zafran will still have only $7. But the $7, $5 he received from Sophia. So you minus the $5, you get $2 only. That means at first he had $2. So how to do this? I will show you now down here. This is the Sophia story, okay? At first, Sophia has 3 units. 1, 2, 3, Sophia. Zafran, we do not know how many Zafran has. But after Sophia give 1 unit here, now this 1 unit goes here. Now Sophia left with 2 units, right? What happens? Zafran still has $3 less than Sophia. So if I want to find out, make both of them have the same, I plus $3 here. I plus $3. So when I plus $3, both of them have 2 units, 2 units. Altogether equals to 4 units. How? Blur, 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 blur. Blur still, eh?
No.
No, okay. So if you understand this, then you must remember, since you plus the $3, your total must also plus the
You
$3.
plus $3 to make it this.
Same. So, I
So
can
the
find out.
total is what?
We don't know. I'm just giving example. Yeah, I'm just giving example. If you now the total is $3 more because I plus your mother give $3 more. Your mother
okay.
give $3 more. At first you got certain amount of money. Now your mother give $3 more. The total must be more. You cannot just say.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Same thing
Yes.
now. Now down here. Okay. So imagine down here. I plus another 8 marbles. Let's say your mother now, she put 8 marbles more inside container B. That means the total must plus 8. Why? Because there are new bubbles entering in.
No, I thought it's like from A
No,
to
A,
B.
remember, A to B is 1 unit. This one already transfer here. Now this one is not enough. This is still more. So we imagine if I plus another 8, oh, I will be the same. If I plus, I'm not
So you get
actually adding. And then you get 8. So you must plus 8. So you get 40,
Okay.
42 for now, 6 units. So 42 divided by 6, each one gets 7, 7, 7, 7. 7. So 7, 14, 21, 28.
28.
Total is 34. So 28 plus what equals to 34? 28 plus 6. That's how you get.
Wait. Oh.
I give you one more. Zahira, why are you looking at Zahira? I can see you playing at
Sister.
Inshira. Stop playing at Inshira. Or stop playing with Bongsu. Okay. You want to, I'll give you another question. I'll give you another question now. Now you use Zahira. Okay, Zahira question. Zahira, I'm going to wrap this now. Okay. Okay, Zahira. And see, Zahira, what's and Inshira has, later I'll give you the amount. Okay. Zahira stole, example Zahira stole, example. Okay, 1/3 of Inshira's money. Maybe it might be real, it's okay, it doesn't matter, okay? Just forgive each other, okay? In the end,
I got more money.
Inshira
Yes.
still has how much
$7
more than Zahira?
money.
Okay. Okay, you can draw the model first. I'm going to work out what the numbers. Just one moment, just one moment. Okay.
Okay.
Hold on.
Is it the same?
Wait.
Yes, it's the same.
Wait.
But
Is it the
teacher
same model?
has-
Same model, same type of model, same type of model, same type of model. Okay, so at first that's $36. In the end, Inshira still got $4 more than Zahira. Find how much Zahira had at first. Find how much Zahira had at first.
So sikit. Zahira and Inshira. I do brand new page.
Okay, yeah, you can do better change, no problem. At
Okay.
first, they both have $36.
Can I do Zack and I?
Yeah, you can do what?
Zack. I do small letter. Right to write their name.
No problem.
And then Inshira. Yep.
Oh, sorry.
Inshira, you know how Zahira, you know how much you have at first? You must know because this involves you. Sophia, what's your answer? You're very skilled, Sophia. What's your answer? Cannot do. What's your original model for Inshira? How many units will she have?
Huh?
Inshira will have
Wait.
1/3 of Inshira's money. That means 1/3 will go to Zahira.
Inshira
after
got 3 units.
3 units. 3 units.
3 units, okay. Zahira, we do not know how many. But after she takes Inshira's money, Inshira will have how many units?
4. 2.
2 units. 1/3 goes to Zahira. So 2/3 still left
Oh yeah,
with
okay.
Inshira.
Means Zahira now have 2
One-
units.
So
or 3
Zahira
units.
got 1
1
unit.
unit plus her own money.
Plus
Okay,
2
okay,
units
okay.
or 1 unit.
Uh,
Means Zahira have now 2 units.
No, Zahira has 1 unit plus we do not know. No, you must use like that. We do not know. You use the gigi. Gergaji. Right? So we do not. But
Apa tu?
it is still less than what Inshira has with 2 units only. It's still less than 2 units.
Means Inshira got 2 units, then another 4 units for another $4 for her as well.
Yeah, you plus another $4 to here. It becomes how many? You will have how many units if you plus $4?
The answer 16.
16. Congratulations, but 16 is after the transfer. You must find before she took the money how much she have.
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna draw. Hey, this is about you. You
Wait.
don't know. You take the money.
My sister ni, kau she like money.
She like money. It's okay. I also like money. My zikir is like that. Okay, I will just draw the model.
Wait.
Okay, wait.
Is the answer 10?
10 is for 1 unit. 10 is for 1 unit of Inshira.
Wait.
10 is for 1 unit of Inshira's money.
Answer 5.
No, cannot be 5. If 5, it means it's short of money.
Yeah. Is it decimal?
No decimal. Rahana, you're just 1 step away.
Then it's not
Okay,
possible.
now we try. Shafika, you tell me.
6.
Yes, congratulations. 6 is correct.
Again.
Okay, now we draw Inshira and Zahira's amount. So this I for Inshira, how many units do we draw, Shafika?
Huh?
For Inshira, how many units?
Mine is 3.
3. So we draw 3 down here, right? 3 units.
Oh.
All right. Zahira, we do not know. So we draw Gergaji. Gergaji now can be like that. Means this can be, you can draw bigger, smaller, we don't know. I just draw smaller because I know it's smaller. But down here, we do not know how many units this is. It could be 1 unit, it could be more than 1 unit, it can be 2 units, we don't know. Okay. Or if you don't know, we just put like that lah. We just put, yeah, I think we use like that is better lah, like this. Okay, we,
Also big.
I mean, so you don't know how many. Now, after the transfer, Inshira will have how many units after the transfer?
2.
2 units. This transfer
2
is,
unit.
yes. So now, we know that Zahira will confirm have 1 unit because she take the 1 unit. Correct?
Yeah.
And then she will have like that also, this gergaji. But even with her original amount down here, Inshira still got $4 more. Still got $4 more down here now. Down here, this is now Zahira's original money. But this is still $4 left at Inshira. So if we plus $4 here, we plus $4 here, now Zahira will have 2 units.
Now I get it.
If we plus the $4,
Plus I mean, I thought plus my sister one.
if you plus your sister 1, your sister already got more than you. After giving 1/3 to you, you still got less than, Inshira got more than you. So that means your model now, okay, now I draw. Let's say your original amount is like that lah. And from here to here is $4. This one is $4. Why $4? They say if you plus $4, you have the same amount. If let's say mommy gives you $4, you now have the same amount of Inshira. So we ask mommy to give you $4 lah. But the total money that's now down here is $36. If you plus another $4, you must
That's
mommy.
6,
Yeah, 6. That means you must plus
No,
$4
I get
because
16.
40.
40. Why? Because mommy has given you more money. Your mother has
what?
given you more money.
So
what?
you just $36 plus $4, that's all.
Yes, plus $4. Now you
Which the
got
answer is?
1,
40.
2, 3, 4. 4 units for $4.
Oh.
In Shira's units, we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Because if mommy gives
1 unit is 10. 1 unit is 10.
yeah, so 4 units, 40, 1 unit is 10. So let us go to what Inshira have at first. 10, 20, $30. 30 plus what give you 36? 30 plus
6.
6. So Zahira must have $6.
Oh, it's like that. Yeah, so easy.
Do you get it?
Yes.
So,
So
you have
down
to
here,
find how many units? 1 unit.
we are going to find how much Zahira has at
Oh,
first.
4 unit is $40. Which is how many units?
$6 and
Go
we
to
don't
the
know.
next step.
We do not know how many units because
Now how you get $36?
okay, 36 they give in the question.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So if Inshira got 3 units, that means Inshira got
$3
$30.
$10.
Zahira must have $6 lah. So 30 plus 6
Give it
equals
again.
36. You want another question?
No, I don't get it.
Okay.
So,
no,
so then,
wait. Do you get
36
10
so what
plus
is the
10?
answer?
Answer is $6.
36 plus 10.
No. Hold on.
6.
Okay.
So
Originally,
36 divided by
no, wait. Don't divide. Originally, how much money they both have together?
36.
36. Now we found out that Inshira got $30. So Zahira must have how many dollars?
Oh, okay.
$6.
36 minus 30.
This $4 is imaginary. If mommy gave Zahira $4, they both have the same amount of money. Because once you transfer 10 here, Inshira will have $20. Zahira will have $16. Can you see not?
Then how get 6?
How we get 6? Okay. Now down here,
Get 6 because 30 plus 36 minus 30.
Oh, 40
30
minus
plus what? No, don't
36
count
ah.
40. 40 later. Okay.
Okay,
30 plus what equals 36?
30 plus 6.
So we know that Inshira got 6. Now you're confused. Why is there 40 here? Okay, I repeat again. Originally,
Okay, I get it.
Okay, now for Shafiqa's
Oh,
case.
because
Because you have to find 1 unit. So you need
Yeah.
a 40.
Because they tell you
Oh.
Zahira still got $4 less than 2 units. So you plus $4 to make it 2 units. But you ask, where does the $4 come from? We imagine mommy gave it to her. So if mommy gave it to her, the total amount of money is no longer 36. The total amount of money is 40 because you plus $4. So now this is imaginary situation where we add another $4 imaginary. So we want to find original. So we find 1 unit, 10, must plus the 6 to get original 36. If
means
mommy
30 minus 36.
36 minus 30, not
Oh,
the other way around.
yeah.
Okay,
Can we
Raihana,
do another one?
Can we do
can do.
another one?
Are you okay?
Yeah, correct. I want to do another
Right.
one.
Okay, we do one more. Okay, this time we choose
Easier one.
Rafika.
Shafiqa. Oh, you wanna
And
use?
the brother.
I want
We
my
use
brother.
Raihana lah. Raihana and what's the brother's name?
Ryan.
Ryan.
Wow, right.
Ryan and
Why you spell like that?
Ryan is my cousin name.
Raihana.
Spelling like just, he said.
Correct spelling, right?
No.
No.
R-A-I also.
R-A-I.
Aduh.
Why?
Y-Y-N. Okay, Ryan and Raihana
Ryan, Raihana.
have.
I know.
Okay, I will fill this up later. Okay, I need to calculate. 1 quarter of Ryan's money
Was used to buy PlayStation.
was transferred
The bank.
to Raihana.
Wow.
Okay, 1 quarter.
Hey, sister Ryan got 4 unit.
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Okay,
Oh.
in the
So we need to find
end.
4 units.
Wait, not yet.
No,
And
haven't put the money amount.
Ryan still has more than Raihana. Okay, hold on. I'll fill up. So we want to find out. Okay, we want to find out how much Raihana had first. Okay, find how much Raihana had
hand pen
at first. No, not pen. I'm trying to write small here. So, okay, let me just see. Just a moment. Just a moment. I will write down now. Okay. Okay.
I want to go downstairs later.
Okay, we can go to that.
Dapat kat status. Aku nak bilang.
Okay. Just hold on. Allahu Akbar. Okay. $25. At first, okay. Ryan and Raihana had $95. 1 quarter of Ryan's money was transferred to Raihana. Okay. In the end, Ryan still has $25 more than Raihana. Find out how much Raihana had at first.
Okay.
Okay, you try. You can do it. You have to believe you can do it. You can do it.
How to do the RR thing?
What? How to do what?
Can you put henna?
You can put.
I put henna.
You can put RY and RH lah. Up to you.
R-ho. Salah terbalik.
It means if you
Find
plus
how
the 25 is 6 unit is 120, is it?
But it's not. Is it 6 units? Yeah.
Is it
Yeah. Congratulations. Yes, correct.
Are you so fast?
She's
Find
very
how
close.
much, what?
How much Raihana had at first?
Raihana got how many units?
We don't know.
How I know? I also don't know how much I
We
got.
don't know. Just now we didn't know Zahira have how much.
So after we find 4 units, we need to find 1 unit, right?
Not 1 unit. After you find what 4 unit is, you know how much Ryan have. So Ryan's money plus how much equals to 95.
Another 35.
So 95 minus
How can the answer be
70.
25?
Teacher answer
No.
35.
35 or 25? 35.
35.
35 is after the transfer. I want at first.
Oh, I know, $25.
Okay, correct.
Is it $25?
No, it's not.
$25 is what?
It's $25 is Ryan having more than Raihana even after the transfer.
Oh yeah.
So imagine now daddy giving Raihana another $25. Then now
Wait,
they have
Mr.
to split.
Shaheed.
Yes.
95 minus $70
Why
is
$70?
$25.
No.
I don't know.
95 minus 70 is 25, but you cannot do that way.
Shahid, I don't know.
Okay.
I
You
don't
know,
know.
Teacher have to find after the transfer the at first.
At first, you know how much Ryan have at first?
20. 16.
60. At first, you know, at first got how many units?
70.
Is the answer 19?
No, not 90.
At first got 4 units.
So 1 unit is how much?
$70.50.
No, 50 cents. Raihana, this is your question. Don't sing in the chair. Try.
Is it 38? I don't know.
Teacher, is it 15?
Congratulations, Zahira. Okay.
How do you get that?
Okay, we go.
Wait.
Okay, we let you
know.
try and you try first. We're going to explain in a moment.
Okay, I also get
listen.
15.
You get 15. Congratulations.
I don't know how you
I
get
19
Okay.
minus.
No, 19 minus 4 cannot do that way lah. You cannot do that way
How
because you
about
know that
35?
35.
minus 20.
35 is correct. 35 is correct. But that is after the transfer. You had $35
Oh.
after the transfer. Okay,
Can you
so
show the answer? Can you show
we draw,
the
we
board?
draw,
I
we
cannot
draw.
see I cannot see the side. Wow.
this side.
Yeah.
Okay, now we ask.
Wait, I want to try.
Try
Abang still
again.
got $25.
Not $25. You got.
Five
The answer
units
is $15.
95.
Okay.
No, the answer is 5 unit 95. Okay, wait,
5
so
units 95.
so 4 unit equals 35.
4
Is it-
units
is
not
it-
35. No. Okay,
Is
we have
Is it 5 unit equals 95?
no. You
It's 4
are
units.
You
It's
cannot
4
assume
units,
that Raihana got 1 unit. We do not know how many units she have. So
I
now
also don't know.
we put out that Raihana are head
Wrong.
RY. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw how many units for Ryan? How many units? 4. So Raihana, you know why we are drawing 4? This part you understand?
Yeah, I
Now
understand
here we
that
draw a
one only.
star lah. We do not know we draw a star lah. Maybe I draw a star. Is it better?
It's lah.
Because the unit not same size as this, we do not know. We are not going to know how many units. So now 4 units plus 1 star, total is equal to 95. 4 units plus 1 star, total equals to $95. This is part 1 of the story. Okay. Part 2. How many units was transferred from Ryan to Raihana? How many units?
1.
1. So Ryan must be left with how many?
3.
3 units. So 3 units here. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I do that.
Okay, now Raihana will have how many units?
1.
Oh, I the times that one.
1 with the
unit.
star.
1 unit plus the star.
1 unit.
And then you plus another star for the 25.
No, you cannot plus another 20
Just
star.
plus 25.
You just plus
Oh, that-
25.
Yeah.
So they say now these 3 units is still $25 more than 1 star and 1 unit.
Oh, means 95
So if I
minus
plus
25.
I plus this one, I plus by 25,
95
I will
plus
get-
25.
I will get 3 units, you know. If I
Why
plus
3?
this,
Why 3?
because down here, then she will have same amount of money as Ryan. Now Ryan still has $25 more than Raihana. If he gives Raihana $25 more, we will have the same amount as Raihana. You must understand this part.
Then must plus 95 plus what? 25.
Yeah, because now we add $25. Now the total is no longer 95. The total, because we plus 25.
120.
Yeah, we must plus 25 here. Equals to
120.
120. So
0
now
by 6.
Ryan has 3 units. After we plus, okay, why plus 25? Because now, how do you calculate? We cannot calculate. We do not know. 4 units plus 1 star equals to $95. How to solve? I do not know how to solve. So, but I can change if I plus $25.
You can do by algebra.
Yeah, but algebra, but we're not going to do algebra. So, but we know that we can change the units down here. If you plus 25, they have the same. Same means if Ryan got 3 units, that means Raihana also will have 3 units if we plus 25. So if I know there's 3 units here, 3 units here, I know what to divide. I divide by 6. So I plus 25, I get 120. Now 120 divided by 6. Why 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 120 divided by 6, I get $20.
20.
So down here, originally, Ryan has 20.
20.
Ryan has $80 at first. Raihana must have how much?
Banyaknya.
$80.
10. 15.
$15.
Minus,
You minus, you get 15.
95 minus 80, you get 15.
Yes. Okay, I tell you what. I will upload this on the YouTube because we have taken how long?
What's
How
your
long
YouTube channel? I also don't know.
No, I will send you the link. I'll send you the link again. We have taken almost 1 hour for this question.
Yeah, yes.
You know that? So I want you to try again, but we try on your you try on YouTube, okay? You try again. Miss Girl, are you there?
What time tuition finish?
Yes, I'm here.
In 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Okay, we try question number 8. Question number
4
8.
o'clock.
Yeah,
4 o'clock.
Okay.
That's like
4 o'clock.
sikit.
Let me see. You want longer? Okay, we can go. So
No.
the answer
Okay,
for
can.
this one is
I have
number.
exam. I can't do long.
Oh,
Can't do long.
Can't do
English.
long.
Can't do long, huh?
Can't do long.
Question number 8. Let us see what is Sophia's answer.
I think I got it wrong.
Sophia, this is very big. Your answer is wrong.
This Sophia is the only one who will submit this.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
still
I
she do
got
cincai
two.
bocai lah, I think.
got
Sophia,
try.
true, Sophia.
I did it today.
I know,
The
maybe you.
answer
What's the
is
answer?
It's the answer 6
Yes.
to 8.
Yes.
Oh, what? 6
Congratulations.
to
How you
8.
get that?
I'll try. I also don't know how I get 6
There
to 8.
down here, 6 to 8. The answer is 6 to 8 here. But you must show the working. You can write 6 to 8 for this type question, you cannot get any marks because they still have to.
Wait, I send you.
No,
Okay.
not on.
You can WhatsApp me.
I sejuk. Tenang.
I still on the chat.
I want ice cream.
Okay, please help yourself.
Okay, later I'm going to the shop.
Although she's thinking about ice
They
cream.
have ice cream that's not here. 205 shop. Oh, ke bawah. Ambil you there. Seriously?
Hey, come on. We try question number 8 in a paper. This is try, yeah?
The big circle radius is 30.
Yes. So the diameter is how much?
Shoot. I feel like I want to draw.
Okay, you do.
The diameter is 60.
Good.
Diameter is. But we need to find the area. The area is 5 times r times r, what?
I
Good.
just send you. But it's
Okay,
r square. Is it 30.14 times? Is it 30 cm divided by 2 to get
gonna
the
get Shago.
can you calculate
Yes.
small circle?
Yes. Not but small circle. Small circle, you must use the diameter.
I don't know how.
Wait, 30
That's a small
cm
circle
divided by
diameter.
2 is
Oh,
30 cm divided by 2 is what?
Did you
I
want the
remember
small
how I
circle
do.
diameter?
No, I mean like it's for what?
One by one. Okay,
15 cm is for what?
15 cm is from here to here.
So the diameter.
Diameter, no. That's radius.
Diameter of small circle.
The answer is what?
Okay, Sophia, one by one. Sophia, first you do take the whole thing is how much? 60, correct? Divide by 3, you get the diameter of one small circle. Then divide by 2. You want to find one diameter of the small circle, take 60, divide by 3.
60 divided by 3.
60 divided by what?
20.
20 for diameter of small circle. Radius of small circle is?
10.
Okay, good. Okay, next question is who was asking?
The big circle area
Circle
is
diameter.
2826.
Small circle diameter. Okay, hold on. Zahira,
big circle.
Zahira, what is the diameter down here?
30. 30 divided by 3.
No, radius is 30. Diameter is
60.
60. Then divide by 3 to
20.
find the diameter of one small circle. 60 divided by 3. 60 divided by 3 get 20. Then 20 divided by 2, then you get the radius, which is 10, correct?
Is the answer 340?
Not 340, 628, I think.
Why you get that? I thought shaded region is for what? I thought radius is 20. The small one. Which shaded region is which one?
There, all this shaded part here lah. Shaded part outside
No,
the
the
small
diameter
circle.
of the small circle is 20, but the diameter is
The radius is
10.
good.
Oh, so is it 3.14 times 10 times 10 or what?
Yeah, that is for the small circle. Area of small circle.
Oh, so area of big circle minus area of small circle.
Minus 7 areas of small circle, not 1.
Oh, okay. I got it. I got 6 to 8.
Congratulations. Can I see your working?
Yeah, I
I also got 6 to 8.
I just send you the thing.
Okay, good. Let me check now. I wanted to check.
Now look.
Okay, I can't really. Okay, I think you got it correct. Okay, let me see.
I 3.14 times 60 times 30 get 2826. Then 3.14 times 10 times 10 314. Then
Hannah, I didn't get you.
314 times 7.
What? You didn't get?
Mhm.
I send my also.
Mommy?
Okay, you explain again, Shafika. How do you get again? 3.14
Wait,
times.
he asked for the photo of one question.
I already got 628.
Okay, good. Raihan,
But I send
Zahira, what's
already.
happening?
I send already. I send already.
Okay.
Kecoh.
Eh,
Alah, my phone battery flat.
Raihana send at the group.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, at the group.
But Mr. Shaheed is not in there.
I'm not in group now.
Wait. Holding the paper.
Okay, congratulations, Shafika. Congratulations.
Okay, thank you.
And this is who's showing me? Sophia. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Sophia and Shafika, you have forgotten the small 2, which is the square. You must remember to
There's
put
no
the small.
square.
The square, this is area square. Area square.
Oh, yo.
Huh?
Area of the square. There's no square
No,
there.
no.
Figure.
CM square. CM square. Yours is only CM. Miss Sophia, you also wrote 628 CM. Must be CM square.
Oh, yeah, CM square.
Same square.
Yeah,
That's
area.
How do you calculate?
Oh,
Your unit for area is CM square. Now just
Area
put in
CM
the square.
square. I mean, isn't it a square
That's why
centimeters?
I just sent you.
Yeah, okay, I receive. Okay, let me see.
Nina Shaheed, isn't it squared centimeters?
Yes, square centimeters. Okay, congratulations,
Yeah.
Miss Raihana. Your answer is correct, and we are waiting for Miss Zahira.
Zahira.
You just find
For
the
paper
whole
1
circle.
yesterday, I got
How much?
34. Then 33.
Out
They
of
asked me to get 35.
Out of
35
what?
lah.
33
Oh.
out of 45.
Yeah.
That's very good. That's good.
That's
Huh?
very good.
Wow, steady lah. No
I
wonder
don't think
lah.
I don't think I'll get that.
Don't say that. Don't say that, girl. Girl, don't say that, please.
But buku paper 2 I don't.
Zahira can do not, Zahira?
Kau so
I also
hard.
got test the other day.
Okay, so for
The question
okay.
so hard.
Okay, let's share the steps with Zahira. Raihana, can you first step is what? Find the area of the big circle.
3.14
Yes.
times 30 times 30.
Did you do this step, Zahira? What do you get, Zahira? Your the thing is mute. We cannot hear you.
Yeah.
Please unbisu yourself, please. Unbisu yourself. Yeah.
Why so big the number, you know?
Okay dah.
Yeah. What's the answer?
Yeah, must
Number
be
so
big.
big.
Yeah, it is so big.
2826.
Yeah, correct lah.
Okay, then remember put the square here. If but for working you don't need. You just next one,
I have
Raihana,
my friend was
3.15
EM square lesson on it.
times
10.
10 times 10, right? Then what do you get? 314?
Yeah, then 314 times 7.
314 times 7. All three of you have the same one. So what's the answer here?
2826 minus 2198.
2198. Okay. You, Miss Zahira, you know how we get 3.14 times 10 times 10?
No.
Okay,
Oh yeah, I know.
Pi r
so,
square.
so down here now,
No,
you
the
found,
10 is the small one.
yeah, so now you get 1 is 314. So you need to do the same thing down here lah, times by 7. So that's why we times by 7, because there are 7 circles. Then you minus lah. 2826 minus 2198 equals to your answer 628. But remember, in your answers key, write 628.
In the paper 2 I do some of them is fraction percentage
Percentage. Wow, okay. So Zahira, okay, Zahira?
and fraction.
Okay, and
They
fraction.
mix.
Well
But now
done.
the ratio so easy lah.
Okay, we move on to the next one. Mina. We,
I have the
let us
paper.
see.
Paper 1.
Let us see. Let's see. 1B, number 9, what's the answer? 75. Let us see whether Miss, what's her name, got it correct. Just hold on.
Mina went shopping.
Where is
Mina nama hantu.
Mina, you're,
Mina kampung.
what's the answer? What's the answer for this? 350 is not correct.
I cannot see. 350. Oh, this one.
Sophia, your answer is not
$5.
correct, eh?
$10 is 2:7. Banyak ni.
Wait, is my answer correct?
Wrong.
So what is the answer?
Okay, your answer you
There's
say.
no amount.
Okay, hold on. After
Oh,
spending
okay.
an equal number
There is
of
amount. 20 pieces of
This
5
question is hard.
notes and 10 notes.
yeah, as you get higher, you get harder. Okay, I myself need to think, so let us try.
What's the answer?
The answer they say is 95, I think. Let me see.
Raihana, sit properly.
Yeah,
Let's see.
she kangkang.
75.
My phone. 75. I call lah. Wait,
Fish.
Answer number 9.
Answer what, sorry?
Is it 650?
No,
No, it's
the answer is
$75.
$75.
$75. So
Okay.
little.
Never mind, we try, we see, yeah.
I don't understand this question.
Okay.
Is it like 10 $5 notes, 10 $10 notes?
Cause first he got $10. He got 2 $5 note. Then suddenly he got 3 $5 note.
Okay, no, they didn't say that way. Okay, just one.
I cannot find.
You cannot find. Okay, just a moment. 20 pieces.
Mr. Shaheed, if they say right,
Tell
when
me.
they spend already,
Uh-huh.
then why the ratio become higher?
Become
No, it seems higher. Okay, when with 20 pieces of $5 and some. Okay, we do not know how many $5. Okay.
wait.
What? Okay, you try first. You try first. Okay, you try to think first.
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay.
Are we going to the tuition center next week?
It's haunted, right?
Yeah.
That's what you told me. So
It is hunted only.
you got to be careful.
I want to hear the stories again.
Yeah. Later.
Later.
What?
At 3:50.
What?
No, like at 4 o'clock. You
Want
want
to
at
hear
4
what?
o'clock. I can tell you at 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay.
What is
Cerita
this
hantu.
Cerita hantu. I thought Sophia scared.
I tell you a true
Yeah,
story.
no,
kat belakang
I
kamera.
I tell you a true hantu
True
story.
story, my grandfather saw Pontianak.
No,
I
not true,
I pernah nampak Pontianak.
No, not true.
When I was
I
like
don't like.
little.
I don't like true ones.
I like true one.
I don't like.
Jam 12, so scary leh.
Oh yeah, I always listen to that.
Wait. Wait, daddy.
I cannot find the answer.
Okay, just a moment.
Okay, bye, auntie.
Okay, we can do the guess and check if you want to. But it's 6.
You taking photo?
Yeah, somebody is taking photos. The girl who's laughing is the one.
Well, I'm not.
See, I didn't even mention the girl. I just said the girl who's laughing. Then she says she's not. So it must be Shafiqah. Maybe Shafiqah is the one.
Teacher. Speak as my like Russian accent.
Oh, you Russian. Okay, let us see.
Can you change the font? Change the font. Huh? Change the font.
The what?
Change the font.
Okay, if you are ready, let us see. Okay, we come.
Sure. When can we go back to the center?
You want to go back to center?
Yeah.
And later we have I think we do it out here is better. You can concentrate better. And then your parents can watch of you. They know what you're doing, right? Is it better, Zahira?
No, it's not.
Oh, wow. Okay, sure.
And it's good also to go to school.
I'm worried after there's another scare and then we all have to come back to this state again.
No, I don't care now.
Okay. Oh, Shafika, you took. What is this, Shafika? All your workings, so many workings, Shafika. Is there any? What is this? Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, my paper one.
Thank you. Thank you. I will analyze it later. Okay. Let us go through. Are we ready? Shafika, come turn on the video. Here we go. Sophia can do. Sophia girl, are you?
No.
No. Okay. So now we go.
Also cannot do.
Okay. So let us do step by step. Now, first of all, you must understand. Is there a question? You must answer yes or no. Okay. Is there a total of 20 pieces of notes? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
No, but I know the answer.
No. How many say yes? Raihana, do you say that? Okay. Shafika say yes. Raihana, do you say total number of notes is 20? Is it true or false?
No, 4.
No, false. Zahira, is it true or false? Zahira, turn on your video, Zahira. Sophia, turn on your video. Is it true or false? Are there total number of 20 pieces of notes or true or false?
You mean like the total
$5 and
amount?
yeah, total $5 and $10 notes. Is it?
No.
No. Zahira, yes, no. Shafika raised her hand. Say yes. Okay. What about Zahira?
Please.
I cannot hear you, Zahira. She's just tying her hair.
Her hair short.
Okay, the answer is no.
She big one.
So you look down here. It says 20 pieces of $5 notes. So there's $25 notes.
$100.
How many $10 notes? We don't know. Okay.
No, now.
So let us write it down down here. So this is ratio. Ratio I can write down here. $5 notes. Look at what I'm typing. You must focus. Hello, if you are not focusing at home, how can we go back to the center? That means you won't be able to focus in center. Now, so this is now $5 notes and $10 notes.
I did that.
They say now, at first there's $25 notes. How many $10 notes? We don't know. Right? But we can use the
But
ratio. They say
Nina went
2 to
shopping
7.
20 pieces of $5 note and some $10 note.
Wait,
So
Some $10 note.
can you
Mr.
find
Shahid,
a...
Mr. Shahid.
Yes.
Means if there's $25 notes, means it's already fixed. Right?
I
Means
understand.
20 times
Yes.
5 means it's fixed to 100.
6 to 100. Okay, can we hold on. This, how you get 2 to 20? Times by what?
10.
Times 10.
10. So originally you times the 7 by 10. Originally there's 70
70.
$10 notes. You must get this first step. Zahira, where are you? I cannot see you, Zahira. I will pull your hair, Zahira. Zahira, come back to the yes.
Lol.
Oh, it's still coming. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Okay lah.
She's her
You
hair short.
all, okay, I also have to do it now. Okay. Now, so do you know that this is true? Raihana, you get it, Raihana? This one, you understand? You must be able to know this is ratio, what equivalent ratio. At first,
But I
there's
don't
20.
understand the sentence. That
Okay.
20
I
pieces
understand.
of $5 notes and some $10
Okay, so
notes.
how do we do that? So we read part by part. You see, Mina went shopping. Okay, we know she went shopping. So you can cut the sentence here. With 20 pieces of $5 notes, this is one of it. So we know 20 pieces. How many $10 notes? We don't know. At first, we don't know. But they tell us that the ratio is 2 to 7. So if this is 20 times 10, you get 20. So 7 times 10, you get 70.
70 times 10.
So at first, Mina went with what? With 20 $5 notes and 70 $10 notes. You must be able to understand this. Can you understand this? All okay?
So there is a total of $100 for $5 and $70.
Yes.
I mean $700 for.
But we don't need to find the value because now they tell us she spent an equal amount of 5 and so now imagine if she spent one $5 note, how many $10 note did she spend? Hello? If she spent one $5 note, she would have spent how many $10 note? Oh, not
I
listening.
don't understand.
Now she
If
said
she spent,
she spent an equal number of $5 and $10 notes.
mm,
So if she spent one $5 note, she must spend how many $10 notes?
1.
Good. So now imagine she spent one, she's left with how many $5 notes?
19.
19.
So a possibility could be 19. And how many $10 notes?
9.
Yes, 69 because she spent one only, right?
Oh yeah, 69.
So now this is
Oh,
one
banyak
possibility.
What the
I
heck?
don't know.
So now imagine now you go down.
Ada
She spent
hacker.
two. Imagine if she spent two $5 notes. How many $5 notes is she left with? Hello. If she spent two
My
$5,
calculator is like,
no, you just minus 20 minus 2. Is another possibility that's left is 18 $5 notes, $5 notes, and
It's like GSM
68.
check
No, this is not. I'm just listing
Not-
first. I'm just
not
showing you
salah.
so that you understand. So the
Not salah.
possibility is maybe she spent one $5 and one $10 note. This is the balance. If she spent two $5 note and two $10 note, this is the balance.
how do you get 18?
If she spent two $5 notes,
Oh, okay.
minus two. So
Yes, Shaheed, can I ask something?
yes.
It's okay, later I ask.
Okay. So now down here, we got to find numbers that will later when we compare the ratio, you get 3:13. So let us try. Let's try. Okay, let's see. Let's say now the new ratio is 19:69. Can you get 3 down here? 19 is a prime number. You cannot divide anything. So this ratio cannot be it. This one cannot be it because you cannot reduce 19 to 3. You see down here now the
So you
balance.
minus.
So this one is out. So we try the next one. Let's say we try the next one. If let's say she spent two $5 notes and two $10 notes, she'll be left with 18:68. Now from 18, can you get 3? Yes, you divide by 6. 18 divided by 3, you get 6. Possible. 68 divided by 6, cannot. You get point something. You get 11.3333333. So this one cannot be it. So you can go down further and further and checking to see when you reduce, you can get 3:13. So let's try the next one. If she spent 3,
17.
so 17:67
67.
or 16:6.
60.
Minus 4. Then 15:65.
5.
So I'm listing all. Then the first question I ask, which number down here can divide by 3? 17 cannot divide by 3, so this is out. 16 cannot divide by 3 is out. You know what I mean? I want to get 3 down here. 15 divided by 3, I
Yes.
get, what do I get? 15
5.
divided by 5. So 15 divided by 5, I get 3. All right, 15 divided by 5, I get 3. 65 divided by 5, can you try? 65 divided by 5? What do you get?
13.
Look, you have just gotten the ratio down here, this ratio.
21.
You have just gotten this
This
ratio.
is so hard.
Ya Allah, will this come out for exam?
Maybe. So down here, how many $5 and how many $10
Isn't
did
this
you
guess,
spend?
guess and check?
Something I
Yeah,
guess
it's
and
like
check,
guess
but
and check.
this is accepted.
Okay.
Have
Okay.
other method.
I explained this method. I think this is the best method. I have not checked the other method yet.
Rayana. I mean Zahira, what do you want to say?
Yes, Zahira, what do you want to say? Don't want to see. You ask her, she doesn't want. Okay, now. So if let's say this is a case, that means she must have spent 5 $5 notes. She must have used and 5 $10 notes. So what is 5 $5 notes? 5 times 5 is 25. Right? This is $25. Then 5 times 10. 5 times 5 times $10 is 50, right? Astaghfirullahaladzim. Times 10 is 50. So altogether she spent 75. You add together is $75. I can see from your look you are blur already. So that's why this signal to me. Who is that? Okay, this signal to me that we cannot continue now down here. We have to go to paper 1. Okay, so I will open a new paper 1. No worries, no worries, no worries. If you're tired mentally, you see, we started with this first question. We took how long? We took almost 1 hour, you know. Okay, so this one you must watch the video. You must watch the video, okay? If you don't watch the video, we wasted our time. So now, yeah, just stop sharing for a while.
little bit.
Okay, no problem, no problem. If you understand a little bit. Raihana, do you watch the video the other day?
My mom never show me.
Okay, I will share with you guys.
I know the thumbnail is a picture of girl. That's all I know.
Picture of girl.
Yeah, the thumbnail.
You cannot see the screen.
We do the next one. We do the next one. This one is
The
one.
screen.
Okay, this is, hold on. I'm just opening the files first. And then where are you guys? Okay, share screen, eh? Okay, here we
You
go.
can't watch the video.
What video?
I thought you were going to share the
No, I'm not going to show the video. Okay, here we go. This is A, yeah? We try now.
Singapore Chinese Girls School. You
Yeah.
don't know Chinese, right?
Where is the Singapore Muslim Girls School? You should have Singapore Muslim Girls School, huh? Okay, we
It's not
try.
Chinese, is next.
Hey, why we are starting with question 6? Funny like this paper. Okay, question. Okay, we try this one now. Can we try question paper 1? Now, paper 1. Can you notice
Not so easy.
immediately when I give paper 1, what happened? Your motivation goes up. So even when you study for paper 2, you do until you cannot take it. Never mind. Move to paper 1.
The motivation is the same.
Okay, here we
But
go.
nothing.
Question
Can I use
1 to 3.
calculator?
No using
One.
calculator. You don't
One,
say
one,
the answer. Answer 1. Are you sure it's correct?
100.
All
Number
agree
1
is
answer.
Zahira, you agree is 1?
100.
Zahira, do you agree is 1? Zahira says 1. I accept.
Changing the font. Nothing not to you. Except
1. Shafika? 1, huh? Question 1 is okay. All correct. All correct. Question number 2.
Let me do first.
You do no using calculator, please. I can see some of you pressing
Okay.
calculator.
I'm using these.
Yeah, you're using what? You're looking at the something. Okay, never mind.
Is it 10 divided by 5 first or 5 times 2 first?
You must do brackets first.
Where?
What
I
first?
know that.
Yeah,
Don't
I
say
know.
the answer. Don't say the answer.
It's okay.
Don't say the answer.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Shafika. Thank you, Zahira. Eh,
No, I haven't given answer yet.
sorry, wrong person, Sophia. This one, just like a harimau lah.
It's the answer. Wait,
Eh,
no,
what's
it's
the
not.
answer, Zahira?
It's okay. Huh? Oh. I know the answer already.
Okay, yes. What's the answer? Okay, all of you got it. Shafika, your answer is 2 or 3, yes, sir? 2. Okay, all of you got it correct. Congratulations. So you do 15 minus 5 first, you get 10. Then you do the divide first. Must do the left side first, divide, then times. So 20 minus 4 is 16. Congratulations to all of you. Question number 3.
Question number 3.
Hey, don't do this. Question number 1 is 1. Question number 2 is 2. Question number 3 is 3. If you say 3, are you sure?
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes.
is it times 1,000 or divide by 1,000?
If let's say now you want to change from small to big, you must divide. If you want to change the big to small, you must times. So this one, grams change to kilogram, small to big, divide by 1,000.
Number 3.
Number 3, are you sure or not? Now question 1 is 1, question 2 is 2, question 3 is 3.
Yeah.
Can't predict that.
3.
3. Okay, let's see.
Yes.
We wait for Raihana. What about Raihana?
Maybe number 4 is 4.
Believe.
Okay, you can do
Lol.
that.
Number 10 is 10.
Yeah, possible. Raihana?
Wait.
Okay, number 4 is not 4.
4.
Number 4 is not 4.
Yeah.
Sophia, you going shop?
Yes. Mr. Shaheed, number 4 is... Mr. Shaheed,
Yes.
2 decimal, please.
number 4 is this one.
Okay, thank you.
I cannot do it.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay,
Oh.
so we do
It's
the
okay.
first
It's
one.
okay. I know. No.
What's the answer?
Shaheed, it's almost 4 o'clock.
Yeah, but wait, it's 4 minutes more. We still got time. We still got
I
time.
cannot.
Okay.
I don't know.
So very simple. So now you want to change from
Number
gram.
4 one.
Okay, hold on. Just hold on.
No, it's not.
Eh,
Zahir-
answer what?
Okay, Zahira. Sorry, Rayhana. So now here is very easy.
That's not my choki.
So you take 700. You want to change from grams, right? 2 kilograms divided by.
Divided by
1,000.
1,000.
So you shift the decimal down here. You look at the dot. Shift
Hello.
1, 2, 3. So you get 0.7. You must be able to shift the dot. Some of you are not able to shift the dot. So let us see shifting of dot here. Okay. So Rayhana, 700 divided by 1,000. Rayhana, are you seeing, Rayhana? So 1, 2, 3. So shift 1, 2, 3. Put a dot here. 0.7.
Okay.
You get it? Okay, I'm going to test Rayhana. The rest don't tell. Okay, Rayhana. 50 divided by 100. So how many do you shift?
Can I answer?
Shift
2.
shift 1.
1 or 2?
2 lah.
2 zeros, 2.
2 0.
So you must see what you divide by.
I
2
watched
zeros,
this
2.
88 tuition.
1, 2.
Then they have like a song.
0, 5.5.
Oh, catch up.
Okay, we try one more. Okay, if
Don't tell.
then we will test one more person. 700 divided by
100.
2,000.
10.
divided
10
by
million.
100 lah.
2 times. 2 times. So it's
I know what.
is it 7?
7. Okay. Now we ask Miss Shafika. Divide by 10,000.
Oops.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, what's the answer?
I cannot see the screen. Okay, it's okay.
Anyone? Zahira, you got
It's
that?
0.007.
0.007. Sophia, what's your answer? Zahira, what's your answer?
0.007 so.
What about, are you sure not? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Correct.
0.07.
Oh, I think I counted wrongly.
0.007.
Not 007. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write 700 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift 1, shift 2, shift 3, shift 4. Put a dot here, put the egg here. So 0.07. 0.07. That means you all are still not unclear.
0.007.
Okay,
No,
we
I'm
try.
clear, I'm
I'll
clear.
try again. I do not know whether you're clear or not. You got it wrong.
I'm
Okay,
so clear.
75
You can see my hand.
divided by 1,000. What is your answer?
Ayu. Wait.
Raihana, what's your answer? All are all
0.075.
0.075.
0.075.
Ding ding.
Syafika, later nak pergi kedai.
Yeah.
Okay.
After solat.
Zahira,
Tak boleh solat.
I can see behind Zahira is a girl
Anika.
who Anika is doing a shampoo advertisement.
Anika is my cousin.
The wind is blowing her hair.
0.075. Stop it.
0.075. Okay. Raihana,
Anika is so chubby.
and you get the same thing?
Yes.
Okay, so down here, 1, 2, 3, you shift
Anika.
1, 2, 3, put a dot here, put a 0 here. Yeah, correct.
Can you give me one more?
Okay, one more.
Don't tell my answer.
Okay,
I know.
Okay,
okay.
just let
Answer something
answer
happened to me.
75. 75 already. What is that? 175?
175. Okay, don't tell the answer, Raihana. Answer.
Okay.
Don't tell answer, please.
1, 2, 3,
Your check.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0.17.
0.0175.
0.0175.
0.0175.
Are you sure? Okay, we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Yes,
okay.
I'm sure.
1, 2, 3, 4. Put a 0. So there must be.
0.0175.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Now it's already 4 o'clock. So
Yay,
Can we
kita
tell a
answer.
story?
okay, this is a true story lah. Okay,
Wait.
why you don't want to tell a true story? True story is
She
the
take
best.
one time. She take one time.
Okay, this story is actually happened in Indonesia. You know, my wife is from Indonesia. You all know that?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is a story told to her by someone that I know. And this man used to do silat. You know silat?
Yeah.
Yes, I know how
Yes.
to
Of
relate.
course you know
Yeah.
silat lah.
Yeah, silat is you know silat, but sometimes they will read some mantra. Mantra is not
Oh, my
mantra.
teacher also tell like this.
So be careful.
Brazil.
So why do they do this? They will take knife and all that and try to cut them. You cannot cut them because the spirit is inside them. So there's this
Silat
case.
use spirit.
Is it kuda kepang?
If they use mantra lah.
Yeah, like
The
that.
Kepang is same differently in glass.
Brazil use like that same.
Yeah, but anyway, this is not Brazil. This is Indonesia. What happened was this one day they were having this man. His name is Pak Mohajir. We call them Pak. You know what's Pak, right? Mister, right? In fact, the Indonesians get it wrong. They say Bapa, then they call me father. But anyway,
Why they call you father?
because they convert it, Pak means, they check the dictionary, Bapa means father, so they call me father. But anyway, he saw this cousin of his. He was introduced to this lady.
Wait. Can you restart again, please.
So this guy, he was involved in Silat. So one day, after his Maghrib prayers, I do not know whether he did the Maghrib prayers. He was at the mosque, and this lady was waiting for him, a very pretty lady. So this pretty lady, according to him, was his cousin. So the people at the mosque saw him coming to the mosque, and then he left the mosque. Later on, they asked him, what was he, where did he go? So they say, I went to follow my cousin. But they were confused because they didn't see any cousin there. So he followed the cousin, and then the cousin brought him to his home. And brought him to his home, and the home, he said, was very bright. Very bright. So he went there, and then the cousin wanted, this lady brought him into the room. And then this part, maybe I shouldn't tell you, but she wanted to hug him and whatnot. Yeah. And he started to read, I think Ayatul Kursi, right? You know?
Wait, who wants to do it?
The female cousin.
But that one hantu what?
So what happened was, the lady got very, very angry with him. Outside, when he entered the house, there were a lot of visitors there. She said was her family members. So when they went into the room, they were all alone, right? So he quickly wanted to leave the room. When he left the room, he looked at the visitors again, and the visitors' faces now had turned into like apes.
What's that? Monkey.
Monkeys lah.
Is it at night or in the morning?
Okay, this is Maghrib time. Beruk lah, become beruk, beruk and all that. Kera. Yeah?
No.
I feel like I'm teaching you all Malay. Apes, monkeys, chimpanzees. You all know?
Okay.
Orangutan, yes. So when he looked at them this time, they look like orangutan and all that, and he got very, very frightened. He left the house and he started running, but he cannot find his way out. When they found him, he realized then when he left the house, he was in the middle of a jungle. In fact, the story that was told to me is slightly different from my wife, because she said that she found herself on top of a tree.
What, your wife?
Yeah.
Your wife told you this story?
No, I heard it from someone else, but when I asked my wife, she said that the story told to her by the actual person itself was that he found himself.
Actual person?
Yeah, actual person. I didn't hear from the actual person.
He's still alive?
Yeah, still alive.
He
was one of the teachers I trained in Indonesia. So what happened was, he found himself on top of a tree, one version. The other version, he was in the forest, lost. So finally, he made his way back to the mosque, and then he met the people in the mosque, and he fainted. And so they asked him what happened. He said, I follow my cousin. He said, what cousin? He said, the lady, remember you all saw, because they were at the mosque, that was the meeting place. And later on, he explained that was not the first time he saw her. He saw her quite a few times.
How he know that one is a cousin?
So that lady introduced herself as a cousin.
No proof, what?
Yeah, but
take blood.
no, but you see, let's say someone says, hey, Shafiqah, you are so-and-so's daughter. You know, I'm actually your distant relative of your mom.
I will slap
You are probably going to say, then you see her the next time, you might think that she's actually a real human being, but actually she's not a human being. But
No, if they say, I'll take my hand and go slap in your face. Because I know it's fake.
But this only happened because he was involved in silat and he used mantra. You know, mantra is calling the jinn.
Just because of that,
Yeah, because
dia
when
kacau.
because
Give
you're
any more
calling the
stories.
jinn.
It's not scary.
Okay, the other one is because these are true stories. So the ones that are artificial are more scary. But this one is another one.
Okay, what artificial? I don't want to do. Very scary
Artificial.
lah.
Apa lah Sofia ni?
Artificial.
shut up.
Oh.
Artificial fake.
No, who is that girl over there?
Syirah.
Oh, okay.
Tunjuk muka lah.
So yeah, that's the story. That's it lah. What else you want? You want
One
I
more
want
artificial.
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 artificial story?
Shut up, Ashim.
Okay.
Kidding.
Yeah,
There
I
was
got
one
to
day a man
remember.
go back home 3 a.m. later walk patah-patah. So then
Shut
the
up.
cat
I don't
come
like
out.
that.
Then go. Then the
Okay.
then got
Anika pakai
mouse
baju
inside,
IC
right?
dulu.
Then got mouse inside, right? Then he thought it was what? Then suddenly the prata guy come out and say, "You want to buy prata or not?"
Okay, this other one I heard from someone, and what happened was, this was late at night, and this
This one
guy,
fake, right?
Artificial.
right?
this you want a fake one, right?
Yes.
No.
Okay, but this was told to me by someone. So this taxi driver, he was driving around, and at night, he drove, and then he saw this lady, this lady like dressed in white dress, lah. But
Like
she,
this ah.
Oi,
yeah,
long
she was,
hair,
Dah
long
agak
hair.
leh.
No,
Always
no.
like that.
no. So,
Oi.
so what happened
Don't stop.
was what she hailed the cab.
Yeah. Don't
so
take
he
people like that.
opened the cab and she went in and started driving along. And early in the morning, at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., it's quite a lonely time. Right?
2 a.m. 3 a.m.
Yeah.
Everyone goes already come.
No.
Zahir.
Some-
The
but
person beside
anyway,
Zahira
when
was
she
ghost.
entered when she entered the taxi, she was very sweet smelling.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
means that one so dekat there.
Shut up.
So, okay, but anyway, he started driving the cab and then looking at the lady. The lady looks
Tegur.
very strange, as if she's like undergoing some change. And then he smelled very, very foul smell. Sometimes they say,
Busuk.
yeah, if it's busuk, that means it
Very
might be a
near.
ghost, yeah, something like that.
Or very
So-
far, I think.
So Afir and
Busuk
then
very far.
as they were
Wangi very
reaching,
near.
as they were reaching the place, this driver got very, very frightened.
Bodoh orang.
And the lady opened up the door and says, "Sorry, I let out gas just now."
Oh, that was so weird.
That's the end of the story.
That's
Okay.
not even
What?
scary.
That's all.
You say you want fiction. I got to think of something else. Okay, maybe the next time I see you on Wednesday, I'll think of another. You
Okay.
want to change it to 5:30 or 5 o'clock? Poor Sophia comes back late, lah. Right, Sophia?
Yeah.
5:30.
But you come back. Next week have exam, I come home early like 11.
Okay, let me. I'll speak to your parents then. Okay? Then I'll give you some homework from this one. You try to do. Okay? Okay. Bye bye.
Homework from this paper one.
Okay, bye. Syafika, message.
Okay.
Okay,
Welcome,
bye.
Bye bye, Inshira.
Bye.
I must pray
And
first. Bye,
who's that?
Shira.
Bye.
Who's the girl behind there with a
Anika.
very long hair? Anika, you can join a shampoo commercial to be well done. Okay? Okay, bye bye.